As levels of atmospheric carbon dioxide continue to climb, scientists are looking for new ways of breaking down CO2 molecules to make useful carbon-based fuels, chemicals and other products. Now, a team of Brown University researchers has found a way to fine-tune a copper catalyst to produce complex hydrocarbons, known as C2+ products, from CO2 with remarkable efficiency. In a study published in Nature Communications, the researchers report a catalyst that can produce C2+ compounds with up to 72% faradaic efficiency, a measure of how efficiently electrical energy is used to convert carbon dioxide into chemical reaction products. That's far better than the reported efficiencies of other catalysts for C2+ reactions, the researchers say. And the preparation process can be scaled up to an industrial level fairly easily, which gives the new catalyst potential for use in large-scale CO2 recycling efforts. There had been reports in the literature of all kinds of different treatments for copper that could produce these C2+ with a range of different efficiencies, said Tejas Palmore, the professor of engineering at Brown who co-authored the paper with Ph.D. student Tae-hee Kim. What Tae-hee did was a set of experiments to unravel what each of these treatment steps was actually doing to the catalyst in terms of reactivity, which pointed the way to optimizing a catalyst for these multi-carbon compounds. There have been great strides in recent years in developing copper Ca. For example, Palmore and her team at Brown recently developed a copper foam catalyst that can produce formic acid efficiently, an important single-carbon commodity chemical. But interest is increasing in reactions that can produce C2+ products. Ultimately, everyone seeks to increase the number of carbons in the product to the point of producing higher carbon fuels and chemicals, Palmore said. There had been evidence from prior research that halogenation of copper, a reaction that coats a copper surface with atoms of chlorine, bromine or iodine in the presence of an electrical potential, could increase a catalyst's selectivity of C2+ products. Kim experimented with a variety of different halogenation methods, zeroing in on which halogen elements and which electrical potentials yielded catalysts with the best performance in CO2 to C2+ reactions. He found that the optimal preparations could yield faradaic efficiencies of between 77% and 72.6%, far higher than any other copper catalyst. The research helps to reveal the attributes that make a copper catalyst good for C2+ products. The preparations with the highest efficiencies had a large number of surface defects, tiny cracks and crevices in the halogenated surface, that are critical for carbon-carbon coupling reactions. These defect sites appear to be key to the catalyst's high selectivity toward ethylene, a C2+ product that can be polymerized and used to make plastics. Ultimately, such a catalyst will aid in large-scale recycling of CO2. The idea is to capture CO2 produced by industrial facilities like power plants, cement manufacturing or directly from air, and convert it into other useful carbon compounds. That requires an efficient catalyst that is easy to produce and regenerate, and inexpensive enough to operate on an industrial scale. This new catalyst is a promising candidate, the researchers say. We were working with lab-scale catalysts for our experiments, but you could produce a catalyst of virtually any size using the method developed, Palmore said. The research was funded by the National Science Foundation Che 1240020. Story source: materials provided by Brown University. Note: content may be edited for style and length. Please support my channel to grow by pressing subscribe button and the bell icon. We will notify you new tech videos. Thank you.